General Secretary Sini Sar Member Korjamitia Kotabuk Botmani Minister Sini Sar Jiren Devra Bonova Hamai Mare Aparo they are all of Haimanja Sini Yotni AGS DN
Chini coba buli nokuk Shegnania. Ewa buni man kano
Long live, long live. Long live, long live. Long live. Adamati long live. Long live, long live. Adisha long live. Long live, long live. Tibalin samnai. Samnai, samnai. Tibalin suna bagai guru bagai cini loge phabaje. Phabaje, phabaje. Kubini badi agar fanisi tibalin fanjara nasun khabai kubai lam suko. Lam suko. Kubini badi BJP CPM agar fanjara tibalin nasun agar fanjara nasun khabai kubai lam suko. Lam suko. Tibalin samnai. Samnai.
Today, once again, 9th July 2020, we have a joining program in the presence of our President N.C. Deborma here in Sodor North, Purbo Nawabadi, Toktu Bazar, under Sodor Subdivision. We have a 19 family and 59 voters. Especially I give my thanks and regard Mr. Badal Deborma, his BJP leaders in this locality, and also we have an elected member, Haripod Deborma, is an elected member of CPIM. In their leadership, they have joined our party, IPFT, and from today onward, they are joining our family. They will become IPFT family. And as you know, in whole over Tripura, not only in this Sodor subdivision, all over Tripura, there are continuous joining program from different party, especially from BJP, Congress, CPM, are joining to our party IPFT. It is a sign of our progress, and people are expecting us that IPFT is the only party in Tripura, we are a recognized party in Tripura, can struggle, can fight for the people, for the cause of the people. There is a realization of the people of Tripura. Therefore, not only tribal, even non-tribal and other minority group also joining our party day by day. And we are hopeful in the coming election, DC election, definitely IPFT party will perform well in the election. And we are planning to have from the government, IPFT will get majority. That is what we are expecting. And this is a sign of progress. Every day we are getting support from different angle, from different party. Therefore, I congratulate today our Honorable President N.C. Deborma was present in this program, joining program. And I thanks especially the newcomers who are joining our family today. We'll look after them and we'll guide them and we'll treat them as our family members. Thank you.
Sarati Bravo, Kubuni Party Yakari, Chini Party, IPFTO, Dan Kaimani, I was joining program Kaimani, about Haklaya, Tolin Tongo, Tini Orwo, Kurgonua Wadiwo, Kasha joining program, a joining program, Orwo, Tini Unis Poriwani. Side Butar, Mrs. Lay, CPM Yakari, BJP Yakari, Chini Party of Haye, the Berlin and Rono, Boro, Samilum Haja, Jung Party Nungui, Orochon Kongnui, Tongo, President, General Secretary, Take Kobuni, Adong Rock, Emily Tongo. Tay Kuni Natal ni Busukang Pi, Jung Kini, Bono, Kini Bana, IPF Kini Bana, Yakari, Jung Bono Tini Kawe Kubai, Ram Sosuka, Adam Busing Vilkay, BJP ni Kormo Horta Tongo, Bo Badol de Burma, Tay Tongo, CPM ni Nirbasita Sorisho, Village Committee Sorisho, Bonga, Nene, হরিপদ দেববর্মা বক সহ তিনি হয়ে জয়েন হয়েছে আবো সারা ত্রিপুরার পক্ষে বিশেষ করে এই সদর উত্তর বা অন্যান্য অঞ্চলের পক্ষে খুব একটা উৎসাহনী ব্যাপার মনে সিজাগো যে সারা ত্রিপুরানি চিনি আদিবাসী জনগোষ্ঠী बर' যতনো তাবো থানচাওঙ্গই ইয়াপ্রি পক্ষাওঙ্গই আগামী দিনও কাহামকাই চবা খাইথাঙ্গই ত্রিপুরাল্যান্ড আদায় খেলেনি এবং বিশ্বংনি যে চবা মানে ইলেকশন এডিশন ইলেকশন আর যে কোনোভাবেই হোক ক্ষমলঙ্গ তাকলাই আইপিএফটি ইলেকশন কপ্লাইঙ্গই আর ক্ষমতা দখল ফেনাই আবনের সময় তিনি টাংলাইছা আসলে